What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to be doing a real quick video for Harvey S. He asked, when are you going to be doing a video of the tie rod ends? I do not have a need to do tie rods personally for myself, but I did let Harvey know I could at least show a picture of the manual or video of the manual showing how it's done, so hopefully that'll help him. I do want to apologize in advance. Something has happened to my mic. It's not functioning, and in addition to that, we have Hurricane Michael supposed to hit our area within the next 24 hours or so. So we are just getting prepared, but I did want to try and get this video out for you. So let's hop over to the manual. Right here is going to be all of your torque specifications, and I'm going to try and get through this real quickly, so I'm just going to skip page to page, and you can pause it when needed. So let's see here if we can get down to it's not showing a removal and installation part here like I'd like to see, so let me just scroll down. Okay, so these are just general specifications for the steering. I'm going to go ahead and run through these just so you can see them. And that's the end. I'm going to end on page 21. This way you have the torque specs again and the overall layout. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them below. And also, we are still trying to gain subscribers. I hadn't noticed, just been too busy, but we are actually well past 500, which was the goal that we had a couple months ago. We're 600 and something, I forget what it is. So if you would, and you like our content, or if this content helps you, please consider subscribing, and also hit that thumbs up if this video helped you. So if you have any other thoughts or anything you'd like to see in regards to this manual, please leave it below. I cannot guarantee you right now when I'll be able to get another video up, just because of everything going on, but I can at least try and get it in as soon as time permits. So until next time, be good to each other. We'll see you then. Goodbye.